Hello, I'm Megan Edge, and I want to welcome you to Workshop Wisdoms. Here I share with you some of the fun and interesting bits of guidance and information that come in during my workshops. I hope you enjoy them.
And it can be really almost addicting when we start to tap into all of this and we just want it all the time because it's so cool and it's so interesting. And you still have to be human and you still have to do the things that are required, like cutting up your vegetables and driving, not in an altered state, if you can help it.
Oh, so, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I get it. I'll fix that right away.
Okay. And this is for everybody.
Right?
One of the questions I get asked a lot of the time is, are you always receiving? Well, okay, we're always receiving on some level or another. Mm-hmm. And no, if I'm not teaching and I'm not in session, I am not working. I'm not doing my work. I'm not doing this work because I still have to show up for my kids. I have to still make dinner. I still want to have fun and be a person and enjoy being a human being. And although there's no way to really completely separate them out because it's so much of what I do and it's all infused in it, certainly when it comes to receiving information about other people, I say no. Unless they're in a session with me or they're learning from me, they don't get to have that part of me. So you can say no. Thank you for watching my workshops and my talks. It's my passion to share with you what I know and believe. We have lots of laughs, sometimes tears. We're always learning and growing. I look forward to hearing from you and staying connected. Enjoy this amazing day.